Now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Alan Shoemaker.
Hey, welcome back. It's time for Weather Talk.
Two meteorologists here for the
Were you going to say two Cecilias? Two Cecilias this morning, if it couldn't get any worse.
She does weather and news. There's really two of her running around.
Okay, so New Year's. Talk to me about New Year's.
You know, I was thinking there's only, what, 65 hours and 45 minutes left of this year.
Okay, someone counted. I'm not counting. I'm counting by days.
I'm counting the hours now. Any New Year's resolutions?
No, so far not yet.
Yeah, I know.
What about you?
I mean, all the ones from this year kind of went bye-bye. So I figure we'll take those and roll them over to next year. I came up with some New Year's resolutions, though. Try to follow along. There's so many. You got to follow along. Ready? Yeah.
I think I saw one that said eat pizza, but that looked like the end of like a Star Wars movie.
I think it said find a new flavor of pizza.
Star Wars movie. That's what that looked like.
It's like the credits all went by the year super fast. So yeah, but hopefully you have some time to make some New Year's resolutions. But
yeah, well, it's going to be cold.
It's going to be cold. But one thing we could also use is maybe a little rain in the new year. Let's go to the graphics. I want to show you that there is a little rain this morning. It's been very dry lately. We're actually getting drought conditions building up in the valley. We'll have the new drought monitor for you on Thursday and Friday coming up, some rainfall data. But the radar is trying to get a little rain on there this morning. There are a few wet roads, as we showed you earlier, kind of around Mercedes and Weslaco area. Not much in the way of rain coming down. A couple of little spots of some showers, but not much. Between now and about 9 a.m., you might see a quick little shower move through, but after that, I think mostly sunny skies return most of the day. But some strong winds today. Gusts maybe as high as 40 miles per hour or so, plus or minus a little bit this afternoon. Still windy on Wednesday and on Thursday. We got 3 windy days coming up to finish the year. That means this year is blowing out of here after that. But it will be turning cooler. It's a bit chilly for New Year's Eve if you want to have some sparklers or sit outside or something like that at night. Temperatures right now are in the 60s across the valley, but check out the winds. They are light this morning, but forecast to be up this afternoon from about 11 a.m. on through the afternoon. Average speeds about 25 miles per hour, factoring gusts maybe as high as close to 40 miles per hour. Then tomorrow, look at the same thing. Winds could be even a little stronger in the morning and then stay gusty throughout most of the afternoon as well before they fade away in the evening. Now, FUTURETRACK does have, again, a little shower here and there through about 9 a.m., but most of the day after that is going to be dominated by gusty winds and mostly sunny skies. And notice by tonight and tomorrow, still a bit breezy with those southerly winds coming up. We might see overnight, Tuesday night, what we see this morning, a couple little sprinkles or a light rain shower, but most of Wednesday during the day looks dry and windy. Notice, though, we do get a chance to pick up some rain by the evening hours. We're still probably dry, again, most of the day, but by evening, a cold front comes in. Along and ahead of that front, some showers are possible, say from about mainly 6 or 7 p.m. Wednesday through about 3 or 4 in the morning on Thursday. So mostly in the evening and overnight hours. But once this front goes through, then it gets chillier for New Year's Eve coming up. But again, your rain chances kind of spike Wednesday night, probably at about 60%. During the late afternoon, if a shower does get in here earlier, maybe a little rain chance on Wednesday. And then by Thursday morning, most everything's done probably before about 10 a.m. the way things are looking. So we'll go over your specific New Year's forecast coming up a bit later. But check out the First Warn 5 AccuWeather 7-day forecast. Warm today, warm tomorrow, windy both days, and then windy and much cooler on Thursday. Highs only near 60 on Thursday. But by New Year's Eve night, the winds calm down by the stroke of midnight. And then by Friday, we're looking at some sunshine. Beautiful day to start 2021 with a high of 73. Chilly in the morning, could be in the upper 30s in some areas, but the weekend looks pretty nice. But there is a weak front on Saturday, may spark some light rain showers Saturday morning. But after that, you see some sunshine later in the afternoon, and especially on Sunday to finish the first weekend of the new year. And we'll keep tracking any rain chances and those winds coming up here later this morning.